इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 7th साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 1 न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को देखेंगे। तो शॉर्ट टाइप आंसर क्वेश्चन। तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट वाला है कि हाउ न्यूट्रिशन सर्व्स लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स। तो इसका आंसर होगा न्यूट्रिशन इज़ अ प्रोसेस ऑफ कंज्यूमिंग फूड एंड कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू एनर्जी फॉर द प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ ऑर्गन्स। फॉर दिस प्रोसेस nutrients are required which are necessary to lives of humans, plants, animals and all other organisms. A proper nutrition is important for living organisms to maintain themselves, to reproduce and to grow. सेकेंड वाला है व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ क्लोरोफिल इन फोटोसिंथेसिस। तो इसका आंसर है क्लोरोफिल रोल इज़ टू absorb light from sunlight in plants. The energy absorbed from light is utilized to convert carbon dioxide and water molecules into glucose through photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, being a primary pigment photoreceptor, reflects green light, absorbing red and blue light in the chloroplast. Thus, overall photosynthesis process depends on the chlorophyll. थर्ड वाला है लिस्ट द कंडीशंस नेसेसरी फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस। इसका आंसर है कि देयर आर 4 फैक्टर्स विच आर नेसेसरी फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस: वाटर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सनलाइट एंड क्लोरोफिल. Chlorophyll pigments are present in the plant. Carbon dioxide is obtained from the atmosphere. Water is absorbed from the soil by the roots. There are many other factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis, like temperature. Fifth वाला है what is lichen. Explain the kind of association the lichen has. इसका आंसर है lichen is defined as a plant found on rocks or trees. It is present as a stable symbiotic association between a fungus and algae and or cyanobacteria. सिक्स्थ वाला है हाउ इज सॉइल इनरिच्ड विथ नाइट्रोजनस न्यूट्रिएंट्स। तो इसका आंसर है ए वाला होगा यहाँ पर पॉइंट। सॉइल इज इनरिच्ड विथ नाइट्रोजनस न्यूट्रिएंट्स because plants produce ammonia as their waste product that is consumed by microorganisms. These microorganisms convert ammonia to nitrates which are further utilized by plants. B. Soil contains large amount of nitrogenous nutrients for another reason because some bacteria can convert atmospheric nitrogen to nitrates and nitrates as well. Wrong answer question. Question number 1 है with the help of an experiment demonstrate the process of photosynthesis in variegated leaf. तो इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट पॉइंट है टेक अ प्लांट हैविंग variegated leaves like money plant. Second, for 3 days keep the plant in a dark room so that all the starch gets used up. Third, then cover a portion of leaf with a black strip and put the plant in sunlight for about 6 hours. Fourth, mark the uncovered area of the leaf and trace it on a sheet of paper. Fifth, for a few minutes dip the leaf in a boiling water. Sixth, then put it in a beaker containing alcohol. Seventh, put that beaker in a water bath and bring it to boil. Eighth, now dip the leaf in a dilute solution of iodine for a few minutes. Ninth, rinse off the iodine solution after taking the leaf out. Observation: the presence of starch in various areas of the leaf which was uncovered, which shows the presence of chlorophyll in the leaf, hence the process of photosynthesis. Where do you find chlorophyll in the plant? Why is it essential for photosynthesis? Explain with the help of suitable setup. तो डायग्राम दिख रहा है हमें यहाँ पर। तो फर्स्ट है द क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट इज प्रेजेंट इन द क्लोरोप्लास्ट ऑफ द लीव्स. Chlorophyll is necessary for the plants in order for plants to convert carbon dioxide to carbohydrates in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Third, chlorophyll is present in the leaves. This can be shown with the help of following setup. Leaf containing chlorophyll is dipped in the boiling water for seconds. Then, leaf is boiled in alcohol to remove chlorophyll pigment, which is necessary for photosynthesis. Leaf is dipped in boiling water for some time and then tested for starch presence. D. Iodine solution is then added to leaf to detect the presence of starch. This setup shows that chlorophyll is important for the process of photosynthesis to produce food in the form of starch by plants. If no chlorophyll is there in the leaves, then no starch will be formed. तो हम यहाँ पर डायग्राम देख सकते हैं पूरा. थर्ड वाला है, how will you show that during photosynthesis green plants give out oxygen? To prove that oxygen is produced during photosynthesis, following steps need to do. Place water plant in a beaker containing pond water. Cover the plant with short-stemmed funnel. Invert the test tube full of water and cover the stem of the funnel. While placing the test tube, ensure that the level of the water in beaker is above the level of stem of funnel. Expose the apparatus to the sunlight. After few hours, gas bubbles will form and collect in the test tube. Test the gas in the test tube. A glowing splinter burst into the flame shows the presence of oxygen. Observation: gas bubbles in a test tube result presence of oxygen. Conclusion: formation of gas bubbles prove that oxygen is produced by the green plants during photosynthesis. तो हमारा वीडियो फोर्थ वाला है, demonstrate an experiment to show that light is an essential condition for plants to make their own food. तो इसका आंसर है experiment to show that light is essential condition for plants to make their own food. First, take de-starched leaf. Second, leaf is partially covered with black paper with the help of clip to hold the paper. Third, expose this leaf to sunlight for few hours and perform a starch test with iodine solution. We will observe that A. Covered leaf part shows brown coloration. B. Exposed leaf shows blue-black color. This indicates that starch is present in the exposed leaf. Thus, we can conclude that leaf exposed to sunlight give iodine test, which proves that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Fifth वाला है, describe the mode of nutrition in Nepenthes. तो इसका आंसर है mode of nutrition in pitcher plant. Plants which grow in nitrogen deficient soil derive their nitrogen from insects. Example: pitcher plant, etc. Pitcher plants. Leaf blade or lamina is modified into sac-like structure known as pitcher. Leaf apex forms the lid of the pitcher, which is lined by nectar secreting glands. Internal lining of the pitcher has digestive glands which secrete proteolytic enzymes to digest proteins or the trapped insects. To trap the insect, pitcher has following modifications. First, insects are attracted by colored lid and nectar. Second हमारा neck of the pitcher bears bristles pointing inward and downward which pierces the body of the escaping insects and kill them. Third, inner portion of pitcher is slippery and contain acidic fluid by which insect slips down and get drowned in the fluid. Fourth, once the insect is trapped and killed, it is digested and end products of digestion, mainly amino acids, are absorbed by the pitcher walls. आपको यहाँ पर पिचर प्लांट का एक डायग्राम दिख रहा है. तो हमारा वीडियो यहीं पर ख़त्म होता है.